Have you ever imagined being an Ant-Man who can enter the microscopic world with ease? This can help you. Hi, I'm Dr. Martin. I'm so delighted to introduce our product to all of you here, the TINYSCOPECAM. A microscope that can easily fit into your pocket. It can magnify the images to up to 1,000 times, with real-life transmission of 13 megapixel images. You can take it everywhere you go. Just plug it in. Bring it close to what you want to observe. You can see whatever you want to see. For example, an insect, a leaf, or use it in dark field illumination mode so that you can see a drop of lake water. Of course, you can use it as a traditional microscope, but you're free from adjusting focus ring. Just plug in and play. Every single detail on the slides is visible. Besides, the lens of TINYSCOPECAM can eliminate chromatic aberration. All these features give you a brand new experience of exploring the microscopic world. We hope TINYSCOPECAM will satisfy your desires for exploration and further guide you into the microscopic world.
DIPLE, the revolutionary microscope for any smartphone. DIPLE is an innovative, easy-to-use, compact and portable kit that transforms any smartphone or tablet into a powerful microscope. The result is a modular, practical and economical system for taking high-quality images of the micro world. You can see in detail your own red blood cells, or even bacteria, in seconds. DIPLE is made of a few simple elements. DIPLE consists of metal plates containing mini lenses, a light source, and various accessories. Together with the camera of your smartphone, DIPLE provides an excellent level of magnification and definition of images directly on the screen of your phone. Moreover, DIPLE is the convenient alternative to expensive microscopes. You can choose among many versions of DIPLE for any budget. DIPLE Red, with its resolution of about 3 micron, allows anyone to easily see cells or the invisible microorganisms around us. DIPLE Grey is the most versatile objective lens. With its resolution of 1 micron, you can see cells and even bacteria. DIPLE Black is the most powerful lens. With resolution below 1 micron, you can see cells detailed, getting an incredible deep view of the micro world. For the first time, the packaging is a functional part of the product, thus avoiding waste of material and saving space and ensuring maximum portability. 2 different sample stages are offered. The standard stage, a simple mechanical support for your samples, where you can shift your slides manually for scanning your sample under the DIPLE lens, or the fine stage. The slide can be shifted by mechanical screws for a precise search of microscopic targets. The box has lateral V-shaped apertures for allowing an easy handling of the samples or for scanning slides over a large field. The extreme portability of DIPLE make it a real outdoor microscope that can be used in extreme conditions too. There are endless applications, from scientific education to pure fun, from the observation of microorganisms or cells to mineralogy and material science. With DIPLE, anyone can observe the micro world in detail and save it directly in the phone. Bring DIPLE with you whenever you want, anywhere.
As a species, we've always found exploring to be something we love. For us, we found ourselves interested in the microscopic world. That's why we created the 60x microscope. The lens slips easily onto your phone. With our lens, you can see into the world unseen by the human eye. Other designs use a single bead lens that causes unwanted blurring in the edges. We opted for a 3-lens design that allows for a sharper image. The phone's light can be used as well to increase clarity. We dream of an affordable world where technology is in the palm of our hands. We hope you share that dream. We need your support to take this to production.